Hello students, today we will learn velocity addition theorem. In Newtonian mechanics, we find the velocity of one body relative to other when the two bodies are moving with very low velocities. For example, if a car A is moving in east direction with a velocity of 30 km per hour and another car B with a velocity of 35 km per hour overtakes A in the same direction, then the relative velocity of car B as recorded by car A will be 35 minus 30 equal to 5 km per hour. Similarly, if these two cars A and B move in opposite direction with velocities 30 km per hour and 35 km per hour respectively, then the velocity of car B as recorded by car A will be 30 plus 35 equal to 65 km per hour. In relativistic mechanics, to find the velocity of one body relative to other, whether they are moving in same direction or in opposite direction, we cannot subtract or add the two velocities in this case. The reason is that in relativistic mechanics, the two bodies are moving with very high velocities which are comparable to velocity of light. So in relativistic mechanics, to find the velocity of one body relative to other, we apply velocity addition theorem. Let us consider two bodies A and B which are moving with very high velocity comparable to velocity of light. Then the relative velocity of body A with respect to body B is given by u equal to u dash plus v upon 1 plus u dash v by c square, where v is the velocity of earth. To find the relative velocity of body A with respect to body B, we assume body B to be at rest. So u dash is the velocity of body A relative to earth. Similarly, when relative velocity of body A with respect to body B is known, then we can find the velocity of body A with respect to an observer on earth, which is given by u dash equal to u minus v upon 1 minus uv upon c square, where u is the velocity of body A relative to body B, which is known, where v is the velocity of earth or the observer, which can be determined as negative of the velocity of body B, which is considered to be at rest. Thus, in both these cases, the velocity of earth is generally not given in the problem. We have to determine the velocity of earth as the negative sign of the velocity of body which we have assumed to be at rest. Let us consider an example. A person on earth observes two bodies moving towards each other, each with velocity u dash equal to 0.5 c. What is the velocity of one body as recorded by other? So in the question we have given velocity of body relative to observer on earth, which is u dash equal to plus 0.5 c for one body and minus 0.5 c for other body, because they are moving in opposite directions. We have to find the relative velocity of one body as recorded by the other, which is u. U is unknown in this problem. So as I have stated above, that the velocity of earth is never given in the problem. So to find the velocity of one body relative to other, we have to assume one body at rest. So let us consider that the body with velocity 0.5 c minus 0.5 c is at rest. So if this is at rest, then the velocity of earth will be equal and opposite to this velocity, which will be plus 0.5 c. So we get the velocity of earth as minus negative sign of minus 0.5 c, which comes out to be plus 0.5 c. So substituting this value of u dash v, we get the relative velocity u as 0.5 c plus 0.5 c upon 1 plus 0.5 c into 0.5 c upon c square. On simplifying, we get c upon 1 plus 0.25 or c upon 1.25, which can be 4c upon 5 or 0.8c.